In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Calendly to your Facebook profile. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully added your Calendly link to your Facebook account, making it easier for others to schedule meetings with you. First, navigate to the Calendly website. Ensure you are logged into your account so you can access your scheduling page. Once you are on the main interface, look for the section that displays your events. This is typically where you can see your upcoming events and scheduling options. Next, find the event for which you want to share your Calendly link. Beside this event, you will see an option labeled Copy Link. Click on this button. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the link has been copied to your clipboard. This step is essential as it allows you to easily paste the link without needing to type it out. After copying your Calendly link, open a new tab or window and navigate to your Facebook profile. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are on your profile page, locate the option to edit profile. This can typically be found near your profile picture or in the introduction section of your profile. Once you are in the edit profile section, look for the area where you can add information about yourself. You will have the option to paste the Calendly link in either your bio or the website field. Choose the field that you prefer, click into the chosen field and paste your copied Calendly link by right-clicking and selecting paste or using the keyboard shortcut. After pasting the link, make sure to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save or Done at the bottom of the editing interface. Click this button to confirm your changes. This step is crucial, as failing to save will result in the link not being added to your profile. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.